In this tutorial, we'll take a look at using McMaster-CARR to obtain some parts, especially when working with assemblies. Fasteners work really well. Not every product listed here on McMaster-CARR has what we're looking for, is a CAD file option. But simple fasteners like bar stock, bearings, pulleys, gears, it works really well. Like power tools, you're not going to get the drawing for. So what we're doing is, let's just take a hex nut for example. We know the thread pitch, we want zinc plated, black coated, whatever the case may be. When you select on the product number, if you see this CAD icon, you can upload this and then use it as a part and modify it, or then in an assembly. You will also notice that there is a dimension drawing with it. So we could go through and do this right now and bring this in individually, and with Fusion 360 it seems the step file works the best. DWG would work great for a drawing, but using SolidWorks we can load right to SolidWorks. But Fusion 360 has this built in. If I go to Insert, I can go right to McMaster-CARR. I would say going forward and back is not quite as easy here, but it's a direct link. I can go through, I can pick a nut, bolt, fastener, I can pick gears, bearings, but again, I am looking for one that specifies that it's a CAD file. So I have the inner shaft diameter, outer shaft diameter, the RPMs that it's specified for, but there's that CAD icon, and if I use a step file, seems to be working the best in Fusion 360, I can download it. This positioning's fine. I mean, I could rotate it if I needed to. But I now have this product, and I can then come back and modify this. If I need that bore to be a little bit bigger, the outside diameter to be a little bit larger or smaller, I can come and I can sketch, I can cut. I'll say I sketch a circle, I make them concentric, and I just need a little bit larger diameter. I think this one was 1.1. I could then come through and I could cut that profile, file, save as. I can use this in an assembly. So using parts from McMaster-CARR, especially here in my mechanical design class, you have larger assemblies. You want to have gear mesh. We'll pick the number of teeth, the pitch of the teeth, and you can add them right into your assembly. Nuts and bolts work really well. Again, you're not going to find this for every single component listed on McMaster-CARR. I'm going to take this nail gun, for example. I pick on the product. I do not get the CAD option. But if I go back, if I go back to the beginning and I just want a nut or a bolt, I know the thread pitch, let's say 1/4-20. I go right to 1/4-20s, I pick the length, full thread, 1 inch, coarse. I can load that product right in the Fusion 360. I want to change the material. I can change the material. This one's steel by default. If I wanted to change the material, Not that I would have a copper mold. That wouldn't make a lot of sense. Copper's too soft. I can then come back, I can change the appearance. I mean, once you have it loaded, you can really do whatever you want to it. So you can then really customize it. You want it shorter, cut some threads off of it. So you're using McMaster-CARR to expedite your construction process.